Hello everyone and welcome to Yolka's Polka. I am Yolka, your night owl. So, today our spread is going to be revolved around Bananya, which it's a cat that lives in a banana, and apparently this is an anime and it's classified as a comedy, so the more you know. Anyways, I got these stickers at 5 and Below and they're super cute, but you might have noticed that there was like an iridescent page, and I'm gonna go more for the matte one just so you guys will be able to see which stickers I use because the iridescence is too blinding. So starting off, I usually go and pick some papers that I like from my paper pads that I got from Michael's, and I kind of just see which one is going to match with the stickers. So for this case I chose like the yellowish one, and right now I'm just picking some washi that go along with the stickers as well. And I noticed in one of the paper pads there were all these like little word quotes and stuff, so I'm also going to be using that. So right now we're just starting off with some laying of the washi, and I'm just gluing some of the papers that I went ahead and cut with my Happy Punch. Also, speaking of happy, this is a happy planner and it's a classic one, and it's a vertical layout as well, so just in case you were curious. I will also be using some of these like random stickers that I have and some sticker pads. So I know most of them I got from Michael's. I'll go ahead and link like everything I have in the description box just in case you're curious. Right here I wanted to actually block off that arrow with the wording, and I was trying to figure out a way to do it, so I just chose like a sticker and a washi, but I kind of didn't like how that looks, so I just took that off. And then I went back into my sticker pads and I saw the circle, which worked so much better, so I just stuck with that. Using my Tombow pen, I'm also going to go ahead and write the quote of the week, which I was really inspired by Gandalf, our good old wizard, so I went ahead and chose just a random quote, and I just went ahead and lined it up with some yellow washi, just to kind of make it look a little more interesting. I also lined the bottom of the spread with this blue washi as well, just so it kind of covers up all the white space. And you notice that I made a mistake, so I just went ahead and took it off and redid that. But I'm not throwing away that washi, we're going to use it. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and place those paper right in the middle of the spread. And I'm also just going to go ahead and choose some stickers to go ahead and lay down already. I didn't like how that looked, so I just took that off, and then I just chose like another quote that kind of had the similar color scheme. Going back into my paper pad, I noticed like all these things that had quotes on them and stuff, so I figured this would be like a perfect way to use a quote thing or like make my own quote sticker. So all I did was I took my cardboard that is already measured out to fit my boxes, and then I just kind of like clipped it onto that paper and see like which areas I need to trim off, and then I just trimmed it off, and I did that for basically all of them. Sadly, this one was a little bit too big, so I couldn't use it, although I really wanted to use it, but it's okay, next time. So I felt like the planner spread could use like a little bit more blue, so what I did is I went into my aesthetic sticker books, and I got these from Amazon, and I've just tried to see like which one was the most baby bluish color, and I chose this sticker, which, yes, it's actually a sticker, but I don't really like to peel it off because it becomes really transparent, so I kind of just keep the backing of it and I just glue it down. By the way, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly videos, and yeah, let's get back to it. So you might have remembered that washi, that's the one that I messed up, but I didn't throw it away, so instead I'm gonna go ahead and use it for my to-do boxes, or actually not my to-do boxes, sorry, my meal plan boxes. So I'm just using that, and I'm just using a card to trim off the excess. If you're ever confused on what washi to use or what colors to use, I suggest looking at the stickers that you want to use and just going from there. So for example, these stickers have a lot of yellow and a lot of blues and pinks, so that's how I chose my washi tape. And I also noticed that if one of your washi has like a design, it also makes your spread look so much cuter too. But there's nothing wrong with solid colors as well, so Just go ahead and see which ones match with your stickers, and I feel like that will bring your whole spread together. Right now, I'm just placing all of the quote boxes that I cut out from the paper pad, and I feel like this is such an easy way to make your own quote stickers, per se, and it's not even like that hard, to be honest. But it also depends if you have that too, so if you don't have it, it's okay. You could just use regular stickers. For my to-do boxes, I had this sticker page filled with a bunch of tabs that I never use, so I figured this would be perfect to just go ahead and line the top of the box with them. And I'm just choosing whichever ones follow the color scheme, so the pinks, blues, and yellows. I also took off that yellow washi tape because I didn't like how it looked with the tabs. But I am taking that and I'm placing it on the bottom of the to-do boxes, just so it kind of like gives a pop of color. And my cat has been super interested in what I've been doing lately. So yeah, I was actually tired, so we're gonna go ahead and film this the next day as well. Usually I manage to film it all in one day, but today I just wasn't really feeling that well. But I'm feeling better now, so we're all good. I also had these like to-do boxes that were perfect colors for this color scheme, so I had to use them. Yeah, that one was a little bit too big, so I just used my whole trick of cutting it down with my cardboard box, and I always get the perfect amount off, so I love that trick. After writing my to-dos down, I'm going ahead and I figured this time around we'd go crazy with the colors, so I chose 6 different colors for the meal plans, and I'm just outlining it just to make it stand out a little. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the time to garnish the spread with a bunch of these cute, adorable stickers. I love them so much. If you're not sure how to decorate your spread, all I suggest is just looking where it's empty and just place a sticker right there, and I feel like it will come along naturally. So kind of like step back and see, okay, is there too much white space here? Then fill it up, you know? Or if you like white space, that's okay too. You might have noticed, but I've actually been keeping like some of the areas white, or like I don't place anything there, just to like create a little bit of distance from everything, and it kind of creates a nice effect, and it doesn't seem like there's so much going on, but there is a lot going on. With that being said, we are finally done. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and if you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.